Jaguar PC is one of the most affordable web hosting providers in the United States. Jaguar PC offers a wide range of web hosting options, including virtual hosting, cloud VPS rates, dedicated hosting, reseller rates, reseller VPS rates. Installation of all new accounts is free. For users unfamiliar with Jaguar PC, you can use the JaguarPC cPanel demo to see what it's like to manage your website using a GUI-based interface instead of using a command line interface. If you're just starting, have a low traffic or migrate your site to Jaguar PC from another shared hosting provider, Jaguar PC's web hosting plans may suit you. These plans refer to shared hosting, although they are generally referred to as web hosting plans. There are 3 levels of web hosting plans from which you can choose: Lite, Standard, and Pro. All of them have the following features as standard: cPanel Pro, Cloudflare CDN, Spam Experts, Daily Backups, RV Site Builder, Softaculous Script Installer, free allows encrypted secure SSL access, emailed accounts, advanced security features, free site templates, free intermediate sites, free installation. The least expensive options are the Lite plan, which includes 40 GB of SSD disk space, 100 GB of bandwidth or data transfer, 25 instances of MySQL, email or FTP, and 1 parked domain. The Standard plan is one step up from the Lite plan and includes 125 GB of SSD disk space, 1000 GB of bandwidth data transfer, 100 instances of MySQL, email or FTP, and 100 parked domains. You can also choose static IP addresses, each of which adds a nominal fee to your monthly bill. On top of the shared web hosting plans, the Pro package gives you unlimited SSD storage space, bandwidth data transfer, MySQL instances, email and FTP, and parked domains. If you plan to handle sensitive information on your site, such as payment information, or if you want to set up an online store, you need to take appropriate precautions to ensure the security of your customers' data. One of these requirements is an SSL certificate. All plans come with a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Jaguar PC has 4 reseller options from which you can choose: Lite, Standard, Pro, and Advanced. All plans are managed, which means you get automatic daily backups and 24/7 network management and monitoring. You can also sell reseller accounts in addition to general funds. You can choose to pay your reseller plan monthly, but if you choose a longer-term prepaid contract, you'll get a discount on your monthly hosting fees. You can choose contracts of 3, 6, 12, 24, or 36 months. The longer your contract, the cheaper your monthly payments become. For businesses that need a lot of resources because of high traffic levels or have resource-intensive sites, Jaguar PC offers 2 types of VPS hosting to meet your needs: managed and unmanaged. There is also a reseller VPS option. Cloud hosting differs from traditional web hosting in that the former is based on a distributed network. This infrastructure offers reliability that is usually impossible to obtain with conventional web hosting. Cloud hosting does require increased costs, so you will have to decide whether reliability or cost is a more important consideration. Jaguar PC offers Linux or Windows-based virtual private servers for those who want fully managed and autonomous operation. You can choose the data center closest to you and your viewers for better performance. Current options include Atlanta, Dallas, and New York City. You can choose from 4 managed cloud VPS options, each with a different allocation of physical server resources. All plans come standard with free migration assistance, and home domain reseller account, WHM cPanel, and security enhancements. They are billed monthly, although you can choose longer-term contracts with upfront payment. Warranties are for 3, 6, and 12 months, and the longer the agreement, the cheaper your monthly hosting fee will be. Dedicated hosting is the best option for corporate-level companies serving resource-intensive sites to many users. All dedicated servers have root access, remote reboot, and a 99.99% uptime guarantee. You choose an operating system dedicated IP address and the ability to implement your kernels to manage resources. When you purchase a dedicated hosting package, you can choose from 4 options. On Jaguar PC, you can sometimes find references to what the company calls semi-dedicated web hosting. This option is somewhere between shared hosting and dedicated server, but it's not VPS hosting. Instead, you might consider this as a shared hosting option that offers performance and speed that are much better than its regular counterparts. If you choose one managed plan, you get extra support to keep your site up and running. With the Managed Plus option, Jaguar PC takes care of all aspects of server management, so you don't have to do any work. If you need additional confirmation of your site's security, you can choose the Data Logbox service as an add-on to your plan. Data Logbox provides more granular control over the backed up data, near continuous backups, full snapshots, and remote administration to simplify backup-related tasks. In addition, the utility has top-notch compression to save space and strong encryption to keep your data secure. Pricing depends on the disk space you need, and all plans are billed monthly.